If you're a carpet cleaner and you're not answering the phone or your messages within the first 3 minutes, then you're losing jobs and thousands of dollars to your competitors. Right now, carpet cleaners across the country are missing calls, ignoring inquiries and letting leads go cold. And they've got no idea how much it's costing them, how much it's potentially costing you. The first to respond wins almost every single time. The reality of your day: you're on a job, the phone rings, you're covered in water, you've got pipes and equipment everywhere, you can't answer, so you try and call back 20 minutes later. The person either doesn't respond, or if they do, they tell you they've already booked. The customer had zero loyalty to you before they spoke to you. They probably had 4 or 5 people they were going to call that they found on Google Maps or whatever, and really the first one to answer, the first one that's available, is the one that's going to get the job. The numbers don't lie as well. This is official data that we're talking about too. Leads contacted within the first 5 minutes are dramatically more likely to convert. If you just wait 30 minutes to call a lead back, your chances of qualifying that lead, getting them scheduled in, falls off a cliff dramatically. And this is where you need to shift your mindset. If you're not booking jobs, it's probably not a marketing issue. It's not that you need more leads or a better advertising company, or the ads aren't working or anything like that, or it's getting the wrong people or blah, blah, blah. It's probably a follow-up issue. That's probably what the key issue is. 3 ways that most carpet cleaners lose jobs before the conversation even starts. Number 1 is a missed call. The phone rings while you're on the tools, so you can't answer, and by the time you've called back, they've already booked the next cleaner on Google. Number 2, the unread message, an SMS, a Facebook message, a website inquiry sits unread for hours because you're busy working. In today's market, a 2-hour delay getting back to somebody, that's a lost job, period. Number 3, the after hours lead. Someone searches at 9 p.m. Somebody clicks on your Facebook ad at 10 p.m. or on a Sunday, and they don't get a reply till Monday morning, by which point they've already found somebody else. The fix is very simple. Always be available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, 7 days a week. Whether it's Christmas Day, Thanksgiving, whether it's 10 o'clock at night, 2 a.m., whether it's your child's birthday, whether it's your wedding anniversary, always available, round the clock, no matter what day of the week it is and no matter what time it is. How is it humanly possible to do that? It's not. This is where the AI receptionist comes in. Okay, this is where leveraging the latest technology in your carpet cleaning industry comes in. By implementing an AI receptionist into your carpet cleaning business that's trained on your pricing, on all your frequently asked questions, it can handle those inquiries for you. It can give out pricing. It can even schedule the job to your calendar on autopilot. It's going to ask qualifying questions. It's going to be able to give pricing. It's going to be able to check your availability, and it's going to be able to secure the booking. That is the fix. If you're not doing that right now, that's what you need to be doing, so that leads get answered within 5 minutes. And that is dramatically going to increase the chance of you actually booking and scheduling that person, and not letting your marketing dollars go to waste and one of your competitors getting that job for free instead. Remove yourself as the bottleneck. The fastest growing carpet cleaning businesses aren't necessarily the best cleaners or the best marketers. They're the ones that have removed themselves as the bottleneck. And by that, I mean, that's across the board, right? And this is something for all business owners, whether you're a carpet cleaner or otherwise. Typically, the business owner is the bottleneck. Right, your business, you're holding yourself back because you're spending all day or trying to figure out Facebook ads or Google ads. You're trying to do everything yourself, right? When it might be better to use money, right, to invest in somebody else's time instead of yours, because time is the most valuable currency you can get. Time is way more valuable than money. And this is the big mindset shift that a lot of business owners, especially in the carpet cleaning world, don't seem to understand. Money comes and goes. You can lose $100 today, make $1,000 tomorrow. Time, you're never getting that back. That hour, that 2 hours, that day that you wasted or that you spent working on X, Y, or Z, you're not getting that back. It's not coming back to you ever. Every day we get a day closer to dying, period. The clock is counting down. So you need to use your time wisely, because it's like gold dust. and it's way more valuable than money. If you want to grow and scale your carpet cleaning business, like I said on the last slide, chances are you're the bottleneck, right? Like, give the marketing to somebody else. Somebody, for example, like us, who's the expert, who can tap into all the knowledge and years of experience they've got to get you from A to B in a much quicker time than it would be if you were trying to figure it out yourself. Remove yourself from being the bottleneck by, instead of you having to have your head in ads manager every day trying to figure out why the ads aren't working, leverage somebody else's time and experience so that you don't have to. You can focus on, instead of working in the business, working on the business. Yeah. And the same goes with, for example, the AI receptionist that we're talking about here. Instead of being the bottleneck, trying to follow up with the leads yourself, leverage technology, get somebody to build and install an AI receptionist in your business. So now your leads are getting answered 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you're booking more jobs as a result. And it's not reliant on you being up all day and all night having to answer the phone and the messages. So what's your number? How many calls, how many messages do you miss in a typical week? How many people have, when you get in touch with them, eventually have booked with somebody else? If you'd like help removing yourself from being the bottleneck in your business, reach out to us. Head over to www.carpetboost.ai. The link is in the description. Book a call with us and we'll show you how you can get your time back and leverage a company like us to handle your marketing, your advertising, and also put an AI receptionist in your carpet cleaning business so that all your leads get followed up instantaneously. You book more jobs and you make more money while you're sleeping. How about that? That would be cool. And if you're wondering what results are like and what it looks like working with us, head over to some of our other videos where you'll actually hear some of the carpet cleaners that we're currently working with talking about their experience and how much money we've been able to make there. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you get notified when the next video comes out. I'll see you on the next one.